time to grow in Afghanistan, and we made sure that we use it to the fullest. My story begins from the first era of Taliban. I was born in a complete darkness. When I was born, Taliban was already in power. My brothers and sisters who had the experience of life before Taliban, but I had no idea of a normal world. The only thing I knew that women will stay inside home and women will only be serving the men, and the men will be the head of the families. I remember as a young girl, 4 years old I think, I was playing outside with boys, and a scary mullah came and then looked at me and slapped me. And I didn't understand. He said, "Why are you not wearing a scarf?" A 4-year-old child. I was terrified. And he said, "If next time I see you playing with the boys without a scarf, I'm gonna punish your father." I ran to the home crying to the arms of my father, and he asked, "What happened?" I said, "A guy slapped me and said, 'You're not wearing a scarf and I will kill your father.'" He was so angry that a man raised hand on his daughter. He looked at my mother and said, "Bring the scissor." Next thing I remember, he chopped my beautiful hair. I had a curly, beautiful hair. And then asked my mother, "Dress her as a boy. From tomorrow, she's not a girl." And then from that moment on, until the age of 13, I was not Nilofer anymore. I was Ismail. I was a boy. I accompanied my father everywhere he went. He took me even to the men's hammam. And his excuse was that I will not let these uneducated goons to decide for my daughter.